also known as the Vedanta, the concluding portions of Vedas. They explore the relationship between Atman, the individual soul, and Brahman, the universal soul. It focuses on the shift from external rituals, emphasizing on Vedas, to internal knowledge, focusing on meditation and spiritual wisdom. It marks the transition from Vedic to later Indian philosophical systems. They are essential for understanding the roots of Hinduism and Indian thought. Note there are a total of 108 Upanishads. 1. Mundaka Upanishad. Significance. The phrase, Satyamev Jayate, finds mention in the Upanishad. 2. Maha Upanishad. Significance. The 18th G20 Summit of 2023 was held in India, with the theme, Vasudhaiva Kutumbam, meaning one earth, one family, one future, is taken from Maha Upanishad. 3. Mandukya Upanishad. Significance. Shortest Upanishad of all, with just 12 mantras. 4. Ateya Upanishad. Significance. An important text, associated with the Rig Veda. It includes some philosophical concepts like the relationship between Atman and Brahman, and creation myths. It explores themes like the creation of universe, the 3 stages of life and birth, and the nature of consciousness. 5. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Significance. This is the oldest Upanishad of all. The Upanishad consists the dialogue between Yagnavalkya and Maitreyi. The concept of rebirth is taken from this Upanishad. 6. Katha Upanishad. Significance. It includes the famous dialogue between Lord Yama and a young boy, Nachiketa. 7. Kena Upanishad. The Upanishad is significant for asserting the idea of spiritual man. Knowledge and spirituality are the goals of all creatures. It consists of purely spiritual knowledge. 8. Chandogya Upanishad. Significance. Associated with Samaveda, contains the doctrine of Tat Tvam Asi, exploring the relationship between Atman individual soul and Brahman universal consciousness. The Upanishad emphasizes the connection between conduct in this life and future birth. 9. Jabla Upanishad. Significance. The Upanishad mentions the 4 ashramas of one's life, viz. Brahmacharya student life, Grihastha household life, Vanaprastha forest life, and Sannyasi renunciation. 10. Shvetashvatara Upanishad. Significance. Here, the concept of bhakti was mentioned for the first time, emphasizing devotion and love for God, to achieve moksha salvation.